Hello everyone, my name is Lachlann. I write for Monday Morning and I'm also an analyst on Exponential Stock Investor. Today's video is about investing in renewable energy. I'll be talking about a couple of recent takeover bids in the renewable energy space in Australia, and I'll be looking at an ETF in the US on the NASDAQ. So I'll just start with this particular headline from the AFR. So WindLab was a company that used to be on the ASX but has subsequently been acquired. The company that took it over was backed by Twiggy Forrest, who you may know from Fortescue Metal Group. So that was one acquisition that took place in the last 5 to 6 months. And another one was Infigen Energy. So Infigen Energy was bought out by a Spanish company that also does a lot of renewables. And this to me indicates that there's some growing interest in renewables in Australia and particularly on the ASX. So what I'll do right now is just show you the Infigen Energy chart. So it had a big spike in 2016, subsequently slid in a downtrend here, and then the takeover offer came in at a premium to the price it was trading at in the March market lows. So that one went ahead, and then what I'll do now is show you the one of the largest ETFs, if not the largest ETFs, investing for investors in the renewable energy space. So this is the iShares Global Clean Energy ETF, and it's actually been on an immense run, as you can see here. From the March market lows, it's sort of pushed past previous resistance at, I guess, $13 and also $14.50. So it's really quite interesting to see that this is happening. It's a potential signal that renewables could be, I guess, back on the agenda. And I'll just follow that up with a bit of information about what companies are in the weightings of this ETF ICL. And so you've got Sunrun, which is a solar company based in the US, which you can see here, which has been on an immense run, and it's actually trading at a market cap of 7.13 billion. So it's a huge company, and it's really taken off in the last, I guess, 3 or 4 months. So it's definitely one to watch, and I'd pay attention to, I guess, the rise of renewable energy ETFs in the coming months and years ahead, because, well, we all know that the world really wants to change the way it's going with its energy choices. And what I make, or the point I make in this weekend article, is that it's not about being a saint as an investor. You just have to invest in the change that you think will happen in the world before it actually happens. And investings can be very weird sometimes, but you can think of it like this. You're basically trying to think about what other people will think about before they think about it. And that sounds really strange, but with renewables, particularly after this pandemic, there could be a huge push by a number of countries to invest in this space. And it's really all about following the money more so than, I guess, following your heart on this. So you'll hear more from us over the coming weeks about the shift away from oil and the shift towards renewables. And I hope you stick around for that, and be sure to read the article. So I hope you have a safe weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.